kind of popped a little bit. So I guess I'm gonna go get Q-tips and see how this is done. Shit. I got no Percocets. 420! Oh shit! Let me go take a dab. Be right back. Marijuana is only consumed for medical purposes at this moment. So I come prepared with cotton swabs and cotton Q-tips. Whatever. So let's see how this goes. So the doctor at the doctor's office, she was a PA. She told me to take them and push it ever so slightly. Guys, wish me luck. I'm about to die, I feel like. I'm really not ready. Okay, here we go. When I flip my camera around, it works a little better. It's just really hard to see it. Woo. Oh, Shiza slumbers divided. I don't even know what language that is because it's not real. God, that's disgusting. So I could see better. That's disgusting. But luckily it's numb, so I can't really feel it. I'm not gonna lie. However, I'm gonna probably go off camera so I can see and do this. Thanks for watching.